Celebration time! ClearCryptos is now live. Check this out. We were excited about it. We brought some coverage to you earlier. The ClearCryptos launch coverage. Austin, Zach, T. Hobbs, myself, and Oscar just giving you the updates about ClearCryptos launch coverage. And check out the swap. Is very slick and very smooth. You can see this right on the website of clearcryptos.com. And check out the swap, very easy to navigate, and check this out as well. CoinGecko request form submission is successfully launched and listed for ClearCryptos. We already submitted that in on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So ClearCryptos means business and working very fine. And let's talk about this and more right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Listing application applied for Ledger already intact. These guys, we move fast. We move fast, and we also move fast on the track. We're gonna be in Miami. You see the ClearCryptos vehicle right there. It will be in Miami at the Homestead Miami Speedway. So you're gonna see more ClearCryptos coverage on the track, because not only move fast on the track, but we move fast on the development. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko submission already done. Now, here's the thing that I'm really excited about. Check out this swap again. Look at this swap here. So you can go ahead and select any cryptocurrency to swap for, like Ethereum or USDC. So if I click on there, and then I can get ClearCryptos right from the swap by connecting my wallet. So I click on Connect Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect. Although I can also watch a video by the Crypto Shop giving you information in terms of the development and things with the actually ClearCryptos, making things very smooth and very easy for your actually performance. So the swap makes it really easy for new investors and even the existing investors in terms of navigating their favorite cryptocurrency. And they have a search bar. So if you're trying to get ClearCryptos or another cryptocurrency, you actually can do that. So let's say you're looking for Shiba, you actually can go ahead and do that. Shiba's right there. Click there, and you can actually swap Ethereum for Shiba right through the ClearCryptos swap. So make it very simple and very easy. We kind of talk a little bit about that during the coverage, but we were excited about it. You see a big smile on my face because I'm excited in terms of the development and the future of ClearCryptos is now live. And I'm so excited, and I can't wait for more things to happen in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. ClearCryptos will be at the Miami Speedway and more other places at a place near you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.